how to remove your religion from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, then click these 3 points in the top corner. Now click edit profile, then scroll down, click beliefs, and then scroll down again. Click this one here, religion, select non-selected, and now click this save icon in the top corner and save it again, and that's it. Now I hope that can help you to fix your problem, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.